Hey guys, welcome back to Ted's channel. Today we'll be opening Godzilla Hollow Earth crystals with surprise monsters. So let's get the first one. Let's see. We got CeeLo. But stop. Stop. We got CeeLo.
Now you need to talk about it.
CeeLo has got King Kong on Star King's partner. I didn't do it. I got it. So
Hold on.
Sorry, had to cut a bit out. So we got some blue on the back and the tail, and on some of the head, and white on some of the body. So his legs do, it's hard to move his legs, but his tail moves pretty smoothly. So let's get into the next one. The red crystal. Oh, come on. So put him over here. We'll be actually opening Jurassic World 2. Let's see what's in here. Why did he get that one's fine. Let's see who we got in here.
Oh, this
We got Skull King.
Hey, we got both tasting.
You go first, say that's me, see? We got some little red scars on his arms and face. Got a little bone on his, see that little bone? And got some light. So let's add him with CeeLo.
Can I have more?
Thanks. I can get that one. Let's see who we got. Godzilla! That's our first Godzilla yet. So we got some pink on the back and the tail.
Oh, that's the one.
We also
You
got
hold
some,
it away so it stays focused.
Puppies. I want Godzilla.
we got black. Check that out. Pretty cool, isn't it? I can open this. Let's add them right there. Alright, next we're doing Jurassic World. Comes with 2 of them. Let's see who we get.
This is say one. Starting. Godzilla.
We got a Spinosaurus. Let's see if that's correct or not. We got a Spinosaurus.
This.
So the mouth kind of takes, and the tail moves. It's really wobbly. So yeah, put them right there by Godzilla, Star King, and CeeLo. With the face. That's crap. So let's see what's next. Next we'll be doing this one. The dinos. Got a Dinosuchus. Got a little brown, some blue, and a little orange. You can actually get big one of these Dinosuchus. Just go onto Amazon or Walmart's thing or Amazon. They might you might get them. And don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to comment which one you like, Godzilla or dinosaurs. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, the second dino we got an iguanodon. This one's from Dinosaur Dominion, so if you watch Dinosaur Dominion and saw like a creature with this kind of head, tell me in the comments. Next we got this one. Be quiet. Kind of hard to get this one out. You can also, we got some dinos that I don't know the name of. If you do, comment below. So the mouth does move a little bit. Might take hard to get it. The tail does move, the head, the arms, and the feet. So let's add them right here by the little Godzilla mini things. I have no idea what this one is. So if you do know, don't comment in the comment down below. Oh, and if you get Godzilla characters, they also have the bodies and the crystals. This is the next one. Dinos stuff. See a little 10 legs. We got a belly onyx. The mouth doesn't move, but it's really rubbly. Legs, arms, head, body, and tail. Add them to the collection. We got a little Kentosaurus. Got little spikes and stuff. Okay, put that over there. Got a little chalk. Now let's see what's in this one. Maybe we'll be lucky and get the Zuniceratops and a Predator. We got a little carnivore. If you do know it, comment down below. I don't know this one either. So if you do, comment down below. Well, I do know this one. Forget about that. That's the end of our video. If you want to watch more, go to my profile. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm watching you. Bye.